Hey guys, have you tried everything to get your energy and performance back, but nothing ever seems to last? I was exactly in that place, tired, unmotivated, and frustrated that I couldn't keep up the performance I wanted. I needed something natural and reliable without empty promises, and that's when I found Maxboost. Hi everyone, how's it going? Today I want to share my experience with the supplement Maxboost. I've been using it for a month now, and I'll tell you everything. The results I've noticed, whether it's really worth it, and a few important tips if you're thinking about trying it yourself. So let's get into it. First things first, and if you're really considering Maxboost, be careful where you buy it. There are a lot of fake offers and cheap copies online. To guarantee you get the original product discreetly and safely, only buy from the official website. I left the manufacturer's link in the description and pinned in the first comment. That's where I got mine. Now, why did I decide to try Maxboost? Because my libido was dropping, my stamina during workouts wasn't the same, and I felt like I didn't have the same presence and confidence I once had in intimate moments. It was affecting my self-esteem and making things less enjoyable. Maxboost is a completely natural formula designed to support stronger erections and boost sexual desire. Its unique blend of powerful ingredients helps promote healthy blood flow, increase libido, and deliver long-term sustainable results. That's why I decided to give it a chance. I wanted something consistent without harsh side effects. By the second week, I started noticing small changes, more energy during the day, and a stronger, firmer feeling in intimate moments. After a full month, the difference was clear. My energy levels were higher, my confidence came back, and intimacy became more satisfying and long-lasting. At first, I'll admit I was skeptical. There are so many overhyped products out there. But after checking the details on the official site and reading other men's reviews with real results, I decided to try it. And honestly, it worked for me. What I liked most is that Maxboost avoids harsh stimulants. The focus is on botanical extracts and nutrients that support circulation and recovery, not those intense caffeine spikes that wear off in a couple of hours. Independent reviews also highlight this more sustainable approach to male vitality. A quick reminder, always follow the usage instructions on the label. If you have any medical conditions or take medication, talk to your doctor first. And don't believe in instant miracle claims. Lasting results come from consistent, correct use, just as recommended by the manufacturer. So that's it. I wanted to record this to share my personal experience with Maxboost, emphasize the importance of buying only from the official website, and remind you that real results require proper, consistent use. Thanks for watching.